What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CEI ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have to hold this line, this support line. It is the bottom of our retracement in the second wave and it is the price point of roughly 55.2 cents, and we have to break this resistance. It is the top of our first wave in order to become more bullish, and we have to retest this range from the top, and we should go higher in order to hit some higher targets. And I've told you that we didn't have any retracements from this top to the bottom, and I've told you that you should pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top to the range where we might have a trend reversal, and this trend reversal is right here. And I've told you that technical bounce should hit at least the 0.236 level. And let me show you more thoroughly that it is the confluence with this, the top of our first wave, with this resistance, and it is the price point of $1, psychological number. And from this range we had this movement to the upside, and this movement was for more than, let me show it to you, for more than 40%, and we have the reaction from this range, from the resistance, and went lower. So what should we expect next and how you can benefit from this movement, I will show you in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this stock. First of all, let me show you that we had red markets yesterday, and the S&P 500 lost about 0.04%, Dow Jones lost about 0.58%, Nasdaq lost about 0.4%, and Russell 2000 lost almost 1%. And crude oil gained about 1.07%, and because of this movement to the upside, we have the price of CEI that is moves higher. And let me show you this article. It's titled "Stocks End Lower After Hawkish Fed Remarks." And let me quote you these paragraphs. Stocks fell on Monday to give back some gains after last week's advances, while energy prices resumed a march higher. The S&P 500, Dow and Nasdaq traded lower Monday afternoon in a choppy session. The major indexes extended losses after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the Fed would adjust policy as needed to bring down inflation, including by speeding up interest rate hikes if necessary. Treasury yields added to earlier gains across the curve, and the benchmark 10-year yield rose to near 2.3%. Energy and commodity prices spiked amid the latest developments in Russia's war in Ukraine. As of Monday, Ukraine refused to surrender its heavily attacked port city of Mariupol to Russian forces, while the civilian death toll across Ukraine climbed. US crude oil prices jumped more than 6% at session highs to top 112% per barrel, and Brent crude, the international standard, rose to more than $116 per barrel. Aluminium, palladium and wheat prices each also gained Monday. And this is the main reason why we have increase in oil prices, and definitely it is the main reason why we have increase in CEI ticker symbol price. So, and let me show you the support from retail community. On the most active section, we have CEI ticker on the 7th place, and we don't have this ticker on the watcher section, and we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. This means this asset doesn't have huge support, but definitely it has some. And let me show you that on apewisdom.io website. We have Camber Energy company on the 41st place, and it gained about 36 rows during last 24 hours. And definitely it is not the highest number of mentions, it is only 22, and it is 144% increase over the 24 hours period. But still, it might change in a matter of just minutes, and if it happens, definitely we will see huge volatility in the CEI stock price. And let me show you the short interest of this company. We are on fintel.io, and right here, as you can see, this asset has 750,000 shares available for shorting, and the short borrow fee rate is 13.78. I have to say that it is not the best outcome for the short squeeze, potential short squeeze, but still it has some negative sentiment from some short positions, and it might be a short squeeze if these numbers will increase, if this number will increase and this number will decrease dramatically. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we hit the technical range of retracement from this top to this bottom. And on top of this movement, let me show you that right here we have some kind of channel. And this channel might be a bearish flag, and bearish flag is according to its name is quite bearish, because usually it breaks to the downside and we have to be prepared for this. But let me show you the oil prices in general, and let me add the price of oil on this chart. As you can see, CEI ticker follows the crude oil prices quite good, I have to say. And we have two peaks in oil prices that are exactly at the same point when we have the CEI peaks right here and right here. And this is the lowest point for the crude oil, and basically the same range where we have the lowest point for the CEI ticker. But this movement to the upside was much more significant for oil, and it wasn't so significant for CEI. This means, in my opinion, for now, this asset, I mean CEI, is quite bearish, because if we will have the trend reversal from the crude oil prices, definitely we will see lower price action, and this bearish channel will break to the downside. So what should we expect next? In my opinion, we have to take a closer look. Let me turn off the oil price. In my opinion, we should take a closer look on this range of resistance, because if we will continue this movement to the upside and if the oil prices will continue to rise, definitely we should at least retest this range, and if we will have enough volume to break it to the upside. As you can see, this amount of volume wasn't enough to break this range, and if we will break it, retest it from the top, and we will bounce to the upside with increase in volume again, definitely we will be more bullish. And in this case, our next range of resistance will be this confluence level. It is the previous support and resistance that we had somewhere in 2021, as you can see right here. And it is the golden pocket pattern from this top to this bottom, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. Otherwise, if we will break this range of support, definitely we might have lower price action, and our next range of support will be this previous swing low at roughly 70 cents, and we shouldn't break the range of this bottom. It is 52.2 cents, and if we will break it, definitely we will become more bearish for the longer period of time, and we won't see higher targets with this asset in the next couple of months. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it.